Hello viewers, we hope you are doing fine. So in this video we are going to show you a Colver Italy makes electric torque tester. It is very useful product for measuring the actual torque of different type of electric screwdrivers. The model is Mini K5S. It is supplied with a useful software also. So its torque range is 0.3 to 5 Newton meter. So other variants are also available for different type of torque ranges. So we have opened in this box. Now we will show you the contents of this box. This is the main unit for measuring the torque, and this is the CD. It is basically a torque analyzing software, which by means of this software we can connect this torque tester to the PC or any laptop, and we can monitor the torque of a screwdriver under observation. Then next is the this test adapter. This is a test adapter or test joint we can call it. So we can mount electric screwdriver on top of it to measure the torque. Next is the 9 volt DC battery. So it is inserted inside the box. We will next is the AC adapter. See, this is a 230 volt to 12 volt AC adapter. So either this screwdriver can be run on the DC battery or on this AC power source. So both options are available. Next is this USB to mini USB type cord. By we can connect this mini USB to this unit and this USB socket to the PC or any this laptop. So and then we can monitor the software. So in the next step we will show you how this battery is inserted inside this instrument. See, we need to just lift it up, this plastic case, and take it out. Now match the polarity. Positive terminal should be on the positive side and the negative on the respective negative side. Then we can insert this battery by pushing it inwards, and now the battery is inserted. Now press this on off button to switch on the unit. Now we can see that display is showing some zero value, and similarly we can connect this 12 volt AC adapter on the rear side of this unit. See, we can see 12 volt rating is also mentioned on the rear side. So it is 230 volt to 12 volt AC DC adapter. We can again switch the unit on. So we have shown you that this torque tester can be operated either on DC battery or on AC power source. So we can substantiate more by just pulling out the battery, and we will show you that without battery it can also work. See, we need to take out the battery by just lifting this cover and take out this plastic case outside the unit, and now we can switch the unit on. We can see that this torque tester can either be operated on DC battery or on AC to DC 12 volt source. See, this torque tester, it is digital torque tester. It displays the value of torque under measurement in digital mode, and this is also ESD safe. We can see that ESD logo is affixed on the rear side, and it also conforms to European standards. So it's a very uh, sophisticated type of instrument. So in the next step we will introduce about the functionality of this torque tester. The first one is on off switch. So on off switch is used to switch on and off the unit. And next is the unit. We can switch between different values like Newton meter, kgf, centimeter, lbs, inch by pressing this unit button. So we can see the value is changing. So we can select the desired unit for measurement. Next is the clear switch is pressed to reset the value. When suppose if we measure the value and it is observed to 0.26 Newton meter, now we can press the clear switch to reset it to the previous stage. So in the next step we will show, this is the test adapter. So we will show you how this test adapter is mounted on this testing socket. See, so this is how the test adapter is placed on top of this unit. Next we will use any screwdriver, like we, in this case we have taken this Colver make screwdriver uh, to measure the torque. So we will just insert this screwdriver on top of this adapter, then just move it on the reverse direction, then press the forward switch, and we can see the torque has been measured. It is around 1.5 Newton meter. Similarly, we can again check it by just pressing the reverse switch, then pressing the clear switch to reset the previous position. Then again we will check. Now in two different measurements the same value has been observed, so it means that this torque tester is giving accurate values. So each and every time it has given 1.5 Newton meter torque. So this is very useful tool when a number of screwdrivers are in use, and periodic checking of screwdriver is mandatory. So to meet the ISO standards and other audit parameters, we must recommend you to buy this torque tester from India Enterprises, because we are the authorized distributor of Colver Italy, and we are serving so many customers here in India, like MNC companies and so many other government department also. So you can buy this unit, and we are also responsible for after sale service, and each and every spare we can arrange if you require in future. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any query, you can ask us. We will clarify the issue which you will report. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.